Good morning, guys. So let me start off by saying how late I am with my Boxy Luxe and my Ipsy Glam Plus this month. It's actually now July and I am going to be unboxing my June boxes for you. So good for me for being completely late again this month. So I'm going to go ahead and get into the Ipsy first. That way you guys can see what's in the Ipsy box this month. This is a $25 a month box, I believe. And you get all full-size products. This month is called Block Party, and I'm sure you've seen what a lot of other people have gotten. Sometimes you get different things in your boxes, which is really cool than other people, so it's always nice to see what other people get to unbox in their boxes. So the first thing I am pulling out is from Sunday Riley, and it is the CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. This is a $65 value. This stuff is actually really nice. I've used it before in a sample size and I really did like it. It's really nice to use vitamin C to brighten up your face and try to get rid of some of the scarring in your face if you have scarring like I do from acne. So this product is really nice. I'm really happy to have it. I'll definitely be using this at some point. The next thing in the box is Trustees. This is a lipstick. I've gotten one of these before from them in the past and I'm not sure where it's at, but it's really cool. It has like a magnet type closure. It's just like a lipstick, so it's in a pen form, but it's just a creamy lipstick, and then on the other side it has like a lip balm. So it's a really nice product if you like this kind of product. Really easy to keep in your purse. This is a matte lipstick and it is a $25 value. The next thing I have is from Galactic, and it is a 3-in-1 lip sparkle balm. Lip sparkle balm? That's interesting. So 3-in-1 lip sparkle duo balm. It says a set of 2. Is there 2 in here? There is 2 of them in here. Okay, so I've got 2 of them, and they're lipsticks. This actually kind of more look like an eyeshadow of some sort, but these are called lipsticks. So these are, for the set of 2, it is $34. So, oh, it is very sparkly. That's really pretty. So that's the clear, lighter one, and then here is the more darker one. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to catch that on there. So it's just basically like a lot of glitter and shine, which is really pretty. So let's see. I don't know if you can catch that on there. That's actually really pretty. So that's something that I would use as well, especially if I'm using a matte lipstick. That'd be perfect to top a matte lipstick to get a little bit of shine in there. So the next thing I have in here is from Suvia. This is a hydro liner for $26. So basically it's a cake liner, and you open it up and you put water in it, and then you use a pencil or you use a brush to put it on your line, your lash line, or to make a wing. I actually have used stuff like this in the past. I only used Bare Minerals for many years, and I used their powder liner. So I'm pretty used to the process of using this kind of a product, so I'm really excited to give this a try and see how it works out. I love stuff like that because it doesn't get too liquidy unless you use a lot of water, so you're able to get right into certain areas without it really creasing or leaking up into some fine lines in your eyes, which I have since I'm 41. So that's really exciting to me to give that a try and see what that does. That is a $36 value. That's pretty expensive. And then you also get the brush with it. So this is a set. So it's a really tiny thin lined brush. So this is a set for $36. So these will work really nicely together. So the last thing that's in this box is from Tetris X Ipsy Game On. And this is a Tetris eyeshadow palette. So there's 6 different eyeshadows. You get a blue, you get a green, you get a neutral, another neutral, a yellow, and a kind of peachy pink color there. This is a $24 value. I don't know if the brand is Tetris or if it's from Ipsy itself, so it doesn't really say. what brand this is from. So this is interesting. I've seen a few people try these on. Not that many people liked it, and some people did. So I'm really interested to see what I'm going to think about these products or this eyeshadow and see if it works out for me. So that was everything that came in my Ipsy for the month of June. So my box added up to $175 this month, which isn't bad when you pay $25 if you like all the products. And I think the price of the CEO from Sunday Riley actually pays for the whole box. So let's go ahead and get on to my Boxy Luxe box this month. The first thing that I pull out is going to be the little pamphlet that tells you everything that you get in the box. This box right here was about a $50 box. I think it's like $49, about $50 for this month. And it's bi-quarterly, I think it is. I can't remember what it is. So this month is Getaway. So let's see what they sent me in my Getaway box. This here, and it looks like it is PYT Mini Turbo On The Go Dryer. So the thing that fell out was a diffuser for your hair. You get all your instructions here. And then my blow dryer is super tiny. This is so tiny, but it's really cute. And mine is purple, which is one of my favorite colors. So I'm really excited to have this and give it a try and see how it works. I haven't diffused my hair in years and years and years, but it'll be nice to see how this works because I do have really curly hair. I just straighten it whenever I get the time to do that. I like that it comes in a bag here too. It's a really handy thing to have if you're traveling with that. That is an $85 value for the mini blow dryer. That seems like a really big price for that, especially it being mini. But let's go ahead and move on and see what else I have in here. So the next thing I have, again, is from Trustees. I think that's how you say the brand. And this looks like a mascara and also a eye curler up top here. So let's see here, where are you? This is a $25 value, so I'll put this aside and I'll give this a try when I do my try-ons for these kind of videos and see what this is. That's a $25 value. The next thing that we have in here is from Pharmacy. This is the Honeymoon Glow AHA Refining Night Serum. So this is a $58 value. Pharmacy actually has really nice products. I've used one of their face washes before, and I think I've used something else from them before. I can't remember what it was, but I do like Pharmacy, so I'll give this a try at some point. If not, I'll pass this on to somebody that can use it. But this is really nice to have, and for $58, this is a good buy because that basically pays for the whole box along with the blow dryer that came in there as well. So the next thing I have in here is from Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. So this is a styling spray that creates instant volume and texture in your hair. This is a $29 value and it looks like a full size, which is really cool. Living Proof is actually pretty pricey and this is $29. So I'm excited to give this a try and see how this works. I don't really use like volumizers or anything like that because I do have curly hair, so my hair does have a lot of volume in it, but I'll give this a try and see how it works out, and if not, I'll pass it on to somebody that could use it. The next thing I have in the box is from Dr. Brandt, and it is a clean Bitonic, a pH balanced yogurt cleanser, a yogurt cleansing cleanser. And this is a $35 value. So it is a multitasking cleansing yogurt melt that melts away makeup and existing oil for skin that is hydrating and never stripped. That's good. I like to test out new facial washes to see which ones work really well for me. I've been using the same one for many years, which I love. So if this doesn't work for me, I was talking to Sherri on her channel the other day and told her that I just use face washes that I get that I don't like to clean my brushes. So that really works for me, so I don't have to worry about like buying special brush cleaner. I'll just use them to do that. So I'll give this a try, and if it doesn't work, then I will do that. That's a $35 value for that. So that's a pretty pricey face wash there. Let's see what else we've got here. All right, we've got a Touch and Soul No Pore Balm Prime Essence for your face. So Touch and Soul No Pore Balm Essence. This is a $23 value. This looks like a primer, and it is, I think Touch and Soul is a Korean brand. I'm not too sure though. So I actually have tried Touch and Soul before. They sent a primer in a couple of months back So I do like that. It's not something that keeps my makeup on, but it does do really well at filling in my pores. So I'm excited to give this one a try and see how that's gonna work for my pores, and if it hopefully might do better at holding my makeup on. So we'll see how that one works. This is a $23 value for that. The next thing we have is from Skin & Co. This is a $35 value. It is a Truffle Therapy Radiant Dewy Mist. This has black winter truffle, rosemary, ginger, peppermint, and rose in it. This actually looks like it might be really good to try on your face. I'm doing a foundation test right now, so I won't be spraying this on my face because I don't want to compromise anything. But I'm excited to give this a try, especially because it has really, really nice ingredients. This is a $35 in value, so this would be something that I would either put on my face at night after I've done all my skincare, because I feel like it does have some really good ingredients in there, or to set my makeup. Yeah, it doesn't seem to have anything that I would be worried about as far as, like, you know, sleeping in it. Like, it doesn't have anything crazy, it doesn't seem like. So I'm excited to do this try and see how that works out for my skin. That's a really expensive product. $35 is really expensive. All right, the next thing we have here is from Dominique Cosmetics. Dominique Cosmetics Lemon Lip Gloss. Adds hydration, shine, and fullness to your lip. This is a $17 value, and I've seen that she has like some eyeshadows that I would really like to get one of her palettes at some point to test them out, but I'm excited to try out one of her lipsticks. I believe she's a YouTuber, and that's how she started. I got mine in peach tea, and everybody says that they smell delicious. So, oh, that does smell really, really good. Almost like a cross between suntan lotion and cupcakes. So with the name lemonade though, I would have thought that it would have been like a lemonade colored or a lemonade flavor, but that really smells really pretty. I'm excited to give that a try. I love lip glosses. I wear them all throughout the day while I'm at work because my lips get really dry because I either have the heater on at work or the air conditioning. So this will be really nice to give a try and see how it works on top of other lipsticks and stuff. All right, and the last thing I have here is from Tarte, and this is a $45 value. Meet your new everyday sample, the 6-shade Tarte Pro Glow Cheek Palette. So this is the one that has like your bronzer and your highlight and your blushes there. So for me, this I think it's really, really pretty. I do like Tarte blushes. I think they're really nice and they work really nice on my skin. They last for a long time. I think the bronzers are really, really pretty. I do have a lot of this, so I may end up just passing this on to either my sister, my daughter, or my niece, whoever needs something like this. This is a really, really pretty, sturdy type of palette. It feels like it has that NARS feeling to it, which is that really, really soft, like almost silky feeling to it. So that's really nice. I'm glad to have gotten that. So that was everything that came in my Boxy Luxe this month, and that was a $352 value for the box, and I think I paid like $50. I can't remember how much you pay for the Boxy Luxe because it's not like I get it every month. So for me, I feel like both boxes had a really nice value. I got some makeup more in my Ipsy than I did in my Boxy Charm this month. I don't know if maybe Boxy Charm had some leftover skincare from when they did their Boxy skincare box, so they decided to put it in these boxes, which is fine by me. I don't mind skincare. I'm actually using a really great skincare product right now from Pure Results, and I'll leave a link for that video up here so you guys can go and check that out. That was something that I really have been enjoying and has been really working for my skin. So I'm kind of like iffy to try any new skincare because I've been enjoying how well that's been working for me. But as for other things, like I said, I can use the facial cleanser. If I don't like it, I just use it to wash my brushes. I would really like to try out this spray and see how this is going to work for me. I'm excited to try out the lipstick and the pore filler as well. So that was everything I got in my 2 boxes this month. Let me know what you got in your boxes. If I haven't already watched the videos, I'm excited to see what everybody gets because sometimes everybody gets something different than what I do. All right, guys, I hope you have a great afternoon and I'll talk to you later.